Hi everyone, Archana here. I am coming with another beautiful kit, and this kit is super shabby kit, and I have used Temperia ceremony papers, and this whole paper pad is included, and this is kind of wedding theme paper pad, but again you can use it as a shabby chic. So I will show you each and every paper, and so you can see the first cover page, beautiful laces, and it has a lots and lots of peonies. And this page is blank, so you can use the front cover as always. And this one has a big beautiful peonies. It is kind of peachy and aged effect collection. It is not pink at all. So this one has this treasure boxes and beautiful peonies and journaling spots, and these two has written some sentiment like save the date, and this one is blank and this one is also blank, so these two are for normal shabby chic projects. And this one has a beautiful lace here, super cute, and really elegant draping here with bouquet. And the back side has this olive green colored leaves and light peach colored flowers. Very elegant paper pad this one is. So you can see all the peonies, and look at this arch with cute little bouquet. And back side is like that, a lot of area for writing things or pictures, music note, hearts and feather. Beautiful laces are here. And then this one has a very elegant lace here and some images and collage and lots of tags here with beautiful images from whole collection. Super cute. And back side is like this, and this one has another peony images and butterflies, and back side has a fabric effect paper, you can see, and peony. Very elegant page. And this one has a sheer fabric effect here, so cute. Seriously, very pretty collection. And it has some frames here and this area for picture, or you can write some letter. And back side has this one, so cute. And this page is really pretty with lots of peonies images and small and big spots. And this one is really cute envelope here, and the back side is like this. And this is the collection by Stamperia called Ceremony, and let's see what I have included in this kit. And looking at this page, I'll show you quickly. Check this lace, and I found exact same lace, you can see. Okay, so this is the lace for your kit I have added, so you can see closely. I'll show you. Exact same lace I got, so 18-inch of this wide big lace for this kit. And then looking at this tag, I couldn't find exact same. I searched a lot over the internet, but I couldn't find it. But I got something similar, so this is the one piece I am going to include, just like this lace. And another one is this one. It is a embroidered tulle, you can see, 18 inches, so you can even individually cut them and use it on your tags like this one. Isn't it pretty? So 18 inches of this one and 18 inches of this one, and this applique, and then 1 yard of this super cute lace. I love this lace, and the quality is really good. It is a cotton crochet lace. And then I have added some of this beige colored crochet lace, cotton crochet lace, and this is also a yard. And then I have this one for you. It is a beaded lace, beaded trim, and it's 18 inches, half yard here, then half yard of this flat back pearl trim, and then it has some ruffled lace effect on few areas, so I got this ruffled elastic lace, so you can even use it to wrap your album. Sometimes you know, people use elastic laces for closing things, or so this one is here. And then I have added 3 of these seam bindings in this color, and these are yard of each. And then I have added these 2 really cute cutting dies. It's a big cutting die, and I'll show you what I created using this cutting die, so you will get an idea. So looking at this peony, or these peonies, let's see, I'll show you. I'll open the page. Looking at this, or this bouquet, I have created this flower using these 2 dies. Isn't it cute? And almost exactly match with this one, this image, right? And I have some white flowers for you, so you can make your own bouquet like this one, so cute, right? So this is the flower. One more time I'm showing you using this one. I cut 4 of these and 2 of these pieces, so I layered them. Very cute. So these dies are here, and then again I'm showing you flowers. I'll just keep it here, and I'll show you all the flowers. So these are the 20 of Wild Orchid Crafts Sweetheart Blossoms, and I have these mint colored 10 of the roses, and then some more smaller flowers. I have 10 of these two-toned small flowers and 10 of these ones, super cute. And then I have added these curly roses in peach color, and then I have 10 of these cute little blossoms which has a leaf attached. Each flower has a leaf, so 10 of leaves and 10 of flowers, so 20 piece total, this bouquet. And then I wanted to add some very chic flowers, so I have added these ones, Prima's Love Story collection flowers, which has really cute center. Both colors are very much match with this collection, so this one. And then you are getting in this trinket bag few things, so I have added this cute little trinket parlor. Isn't it cute? So pretty. And then this collection has so many feathers. I have added these Prima feathers, 3 of them, resin feathers. And then I have 3 of these stick pins. Cute sparkly beads are here. So these 3 stick pins. And then I have added a couple more things which are really cute. This is Love Stories Say It in a Crystal. This full pack is in this collection. and these colors are perfectly matched with this collection. And since it has some golden touch, I not like sparkly golden but golden color, golden yellow color, so I have added this one too. So this is the kit which is available right now, so please check it out the below link. And if they sold out or if you have trouble with purchasing the kit, please feel free to PM me or comment below. I'll be so happy to help you, so feel free to contact me. And I hope you will like this kit. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.